It's a very happy moment and occasion for every citizen of the state. This particular resolution, I should say, was long pending in one way. I remember even my late father, Shri P. Sangma, had mentioned about this in the parliament, and I hope that we will be able to take it to the logical conclusion.
इन सारे लैंग्वेजेस को हमको एक शेड्यूल में लाना चाहिए, इससे इंटीग्रेशन बढ़ेगा। सर मेरा आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि एक शेड्यूल में खासी और गारो ही नहीं, जो बाकी लैंग्वेजेस भी हैं, उन्हें इंक्लूड करना चाहिए कि जो नॉर्थ ईस्ट के हमारे ट्राइब्स हैं और जो कल्चर है, ये बहुत जरूरी है कि सर हम लोग इसे नेशनल सिलेबस में डालें।
मैंने बहुत बार आदरणीय हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी से इस बात के बारे में मैंने बातचीत की है कि हमारे जो 8th शेड्यूल में गारो और खासी लैंग्वेज को अगर हम इंक्लूड कर पाए तो ये हमारे लिए एक बहुत ही खुशी का डिसीजन होगा।
In spite of the demand made by the people and a resolution was passed by the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, nothing was done, sir. I take this opportunity to request you, the government may recognize us by including the Khasi and Garo languages in the 8th schedule of the Constitution.
Since this is 50 years of our statehood, it would be a very, very historic and a very symbolic gesture on behalf of the Government of India if it accepted the long-standing demand of the people of Meghalaya regarding inclusion of the Garo and the Khasi language in the 8th schedule of the Constitution.
And I strongly feel that inclusion of languages of different tribes and different communities will only lead to a stronger integration of this very, very diverse but great nation of ours.
This government has been the most proactive when it has come to all these three issues. These things don't happen for 50 years, but we have seen that whether it's the resolution on both ILP as well as language is concerned, we are the first ones. When it comes to even use of our language and ensure that our languages are made more popular, are concerned to popularize and to make our language more richer. We have done our part by passing a resolution very strongly in the assembly, which was never done before.